Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. We had an assignment on Friday, September 18th. I'm giving you an opportunity to correct the assignment that we had on Friday, September 18th. On the My TubaView channel, I've already recorded problem number 1 being done by me, and problem number 2 being done by me. Now I'm doing problem number 3 by me. So, everybody should be at least able to get the first 3 correct, if you take the time to try. I'm just saying. Patricia has $425.82 in her checking account. So that's what she starts with. How much money does she have in her account after she makes a deposit? A deposit. That means she puts money in the account. A deposit is you take your paycheck and you put that in your account. So that'll make this number bigger. She has this much, she takes her paycheck, she deposits in her account, and so she's adding this to her account. And then she makes a withdrawal. So that means she's taken that money away. She went to the bank and she said, hey, I want $185.90 and I want it now. And they said, you don't have to be rude, you can just ask me nicely. And Patricia says, oh, I can be rude if I want to. You've got my money. Why is she got to be like that?
I don't
Why
know.
is she got to be like that?
I don't know.
So now I know what she started with. She started with $425.82.
Yes.
I know she deposited, which means she had to add into her account $120.75. And then I know after she did that, she subtracted $185.90. That's like a lot of numbers. Why did you write it like that? Because as you've seen over the 19 weeks you've been in my class, that some of the problems you get says write an equation that you would use to find out how much money she has in her account now. This would be an equation that you'd use. I'm just saying. Don't argue with me. So if we use our order of operations, we have both addition and subtraction, so we work them from left to right. When I'm adding with decimals, always, and the rock means always, line up each place value. So my hundredths place is over my hundredths place, my tens place is over my tens place, my ones place is over my ones place, my tenths place is over my tenths place, my hundredths place is over my hundredth place. And this is addition, so class 2 plus 5 is
7.
7. Class 8 plus 7 is
16.
15. Carry the 1 when you're adding or subtracting, the decimal point comes straight down. 1 plus 5 plus 0, 6. 2 plus 2,
5.
4. 4 plus 1,
8.
Wait, what? 6.
good. So after she makes her initial deposit, she has $546.57. Now we said when Patricia goes to the bank and she shakes her finger at that lady and she says, give me my money now. And it was $185.90. So that means it's a simple subtraction from here. Now a lot of people miss this problem, when really all we are doing is adding and subtracting. As long as you line up the decimal points and you know how to add and subtract, it's pretty easy. I have 7.
You put
See
an
the word
adding
answer.
symbol.
What?
You put an adding symbol.
Oh, I did put an adding symbol. Thank you.
You're welcome.
7 subtract 0 is
7.
7. 5 subtract 9
You
is
can't do
12.
that.
So I need to take, I have only 5 dimes, and I need to take 9 dimes away from that. So I have to go to my dollars, and I'm going to change one of my dollars into dimes. So this $6 becomes $5. The other dollar Patricia takes to the bank, and she says, here's $1, give me 10 dimes. So now instead of 5 dimes,
We have
she has 15 dimes. Did I change the value?
No.
No. Because $5 and 15 dimes is the same as what I started with. Now I have 15 subtract 9 is 6. Then I have 5 subtract 5 is.
0.
Now I have to regroup again. So I take one of my $100 bills. So now I only have $400 bills, and I take that $100 bill and I go to the bank and I say, hey, give me 10 tens. And so I take one of those tens and I make that 14 tens instead of 10 tens. 14 tens
10.
minus 8 tens is.
10.
Why are you all repeating her?
6.
Decimal point comes straight down. $360.67.
Yes.
Nice.
That is problem number 3. You've seen you have the opportunity to see problem number 1. You have the opportunity to see problem number 2. You have the opportunity to see problem number 3. That is 3 that you should get correct for sure. None of these problems are very difficult, but some were missed frequently. But as we go through this, I need you to understand, because we are going to have a test on this eventually. You're going to need to know standard form, expanded form, word form, comparing, ordering, rounding, adding and subtracting, estimating. What else? I think those are the things. Place values, value of a number in a certain place value, expanded notation. So we've got to continue to practice that. Boom! Shakalaka, peace out. God bless. Love you. Do something kind today. Save the bees. And my name is Emmett Fitzhume.
Bye-bye.